This simple storybook for kids has made over $535,000 in passive income since its launch. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the secrets to this kind of success and how to launch a similar business with 3 simple steps using free AI. From generating the book idea, creating relevant and valuable content for the book, and generating high-quality illustrations. We are going to achieve all this by using the power of AI technology. So, if you're interested in making an extra $700 to $3,000 monthly in passive income, keep watching till the end of this video, because somewhere in the course of the video, I'm going to be giving out a free material to help you 10x this process. And I promise this video is going to contain so much valuable information that you cannot find anywhere else. I actually came upon this idea while looking across Amazon for potential business income ideas for our business, and then I stumbled upon this product, which is a storybook for kids. At this point, you may be wondering, what's actually interesting about this book? Well, after taking a closer look, I was completely blown away by the numbers these guys were making. As you can see, this book got over 64,500 ratings, and if we just multiply that by $4.73, you discover that the seller has made over $303,000 from this book alone. Now let us see a few more examples just to be sure. 16,600 ratings multiplied by $12, and that is well over $199,000. And the crazy and interesting part of it all is that you can publish this kind of books for free using Amazon KDP, and that was when I realized that this could be a potential gold mine. And so I thought to myself, why not create a similar book with ChatGPT and make it as valuable as possible and publish it on Amazon to easily make money while sleeping, especially since publishing is actually free. And so I decided to make this video to help as many people as possible having similar passive income struggles. The first thing you want to do to get this process starting is to generate the title. To create a good story that will end up making a lot of sales and also add value to kids, you definitely need to create one that will first of all be good for kids, and secondly trigger a buying emotion in the parents. So you want to head inside of ChatGPT and paste in this prompt: create 15 title ideas for a storybook for kids. Now the reason why we do this is to have so many options to sift from to get the very best 3 with reasons why they're the best. And our task has been completed. And now inside of ChatGPT, you want to easily ask the AI to select the best 7 out of the 15. And once that has been done, now for the 3rd time, you want to ask ChatGPT with this very prompt, and be particular about this. Select the top 3 best stories from the 7 above that will be morally valuable to kids and could trigger some form of purchase emotion in parents, and give reasons for the selected 3. Now the reason why you do this is very simple. As much as you aim to create value for kids, either educational, psychological or emotional, you want to work with only titles that definitely trigger some form of buying choices in parents. Because let's face it, if parents don't end up clicking on the buy button, you don't make a dime. And after all this is done, still inside of ChatGPT, we're going to generate story outline and chapters. And for that, you want to select one of the 3 stories created by ChatGPT and paste in this prompt: create the chapter's page outline. And as you can see, ChatGPT has created our chapters with the scenes in detail. Now that we have successfully created the outline for our story, we need to start creating the story content using this outline. And so you want to easily copy your chapter 1 and paste it into ChatGPT and set the prompt to write a rhythm story. And once this is done, if you don't end up liking it, you can easily regenerate until you get your desired result and what works for you. And then you want to just simply repeat the same process for the rest of the chapters. It's pretty fast and easy. I know that most of you watching this video are currently frustrated about writing on Amazon because you are not making any sales, or you're not making enough sales as you want. I know this because at some point I also had that experience. If this sounds like you, then your research is a problem. Let's face it, without the proper research on the kind of books that are selling, how to research these books, and the hottest 4 niches to write on, you're basically shooting yourself on the leg by just writing what you think or believe would sell on Amazon. I have put together a free resource teaching you how to carry out the best research-based practices on titles which are selling and are sure to sell on Amazon continually and evergreen. And this is awesome because implementing this simple strategy alone gives you a 75% edge on the market. Click the link in the description now to grab the resource. Now it is free. After I was done generating the story and chapters, it only took me a few minutes to realize I now have a complete story ready to be made into a book. And trust trust me, at this point, we are just getting started.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
We all know that even if you have the best story ideas, it is absolutely no good without good illustrations. And some websites charge as high as thousands of dollars for artists to finish illustrations for you. What if I told you that all the images you're currently seeing on screen were generated for free using free AI? Now what you want to do is head back into ChatGPT and ask it to create image prompt for every chapter and give it some time to generate. And as we can see, our prompts are ready. And now you want to head into Google and type in Leonardo AI. And this is the part where we get to generate the illustrations for our storybook. Now you want to click on image creation and you want to easily paste in the first image prompt copied from ChatGPT into Leonardo AI. And at the beginning and at the end of the prompt, 3D Disney style animation. I want to select the preset on Leonardo Phoenix, prompt enhance on auto, the preset style dynamic, and the contrast leave at medium, and select fast generation mode, and the image dimension should be 1 by 1. At this point you want to easily click on generate, and as we can see, the images are simply beautiful, just what we anticipated. And you want to simply repeat the same process for the rest of the image prompts you generated using ChatGPT. At this point, you want to easily combine the text created by ChatGPT with the images created by Leonardo AI into making your storybook. And for this process to work seamlessly, head over to Canva. It's the link in the description. Now search for storybook inside of Canva, and this is done for Canva to provide you with the storybook ideal format. Then click on create a blank storybook. After that, you want to easily upload your AI generated images into Canva, then drag and drop your first image into the template. Now head back into ChatGPT, copy the first part of the story and paste it on top of the image. And then you can now adjust the text as you like. You can play around with the colors, font style, and even add shadows and more. I particularly love using Canva because it's so beginner friendly and you need absolutely no design skills whatsoever. When you are done, click on the duplicate button, as doing so is going to save you so much time and effort moving forward. And you can just add a new image over the previous and a new text to replace the former while retaining the overall style. And after all that is done, the next thing you need to do is repeat the same process in all the following chapters of the book. And once you're done, save the book as a PDF print and download into your system. And congratulations, you've successfully created your very first storybook. At this point, all you have to do is one last step, which is publishing your book on Amazon KDP. And now I won't be able to explain the entire process here because it can easily take up to another 1 hour. But just to help you out and walk you guys through, I have dropped a step-by-step guide in the description below this video. And note guys, you don't have to create volume to be successful on Amazon KDP. All you need to equip yourself is the right book research and writing practices. And equipped with this knowledge, with just 10 books on your platform, you can consistently net an extra $1K to $5K on KDP alone. Most of you don't realize this, but your research alone can definitely kill or make your book success on Amazon KDP. And I have also dropped a completely free resource which will help you 10x your KDP book research practices and give you an 85% edge over other sellers on the platform. And don't forget to check out our completely free Amazon KDP guide in the description and use this guide to learn about the recommended best-selling book research strategy. Thank you guys, and I will see you next Saturday.